One of the featured keynote speakers at the 2013 Great Plains Summit in Bismarck will be North Dakota native and legendary basketball coach Dale Brown. This event is scheduled from May 30th until June 1st and will be held at the National Energy Center for Excellence on the campus of Bismarck State College. We had a chance to visit with Coach Brown recently, and he talked about the importance of mentors in life and in business.
It was more difficult for me to find a mentor because 2 days before I was born, my so-called father left my mother, 2 older sisters, ran away with another woman, never called, never wrote, never sent us any money. My mother came off a farm, 8th grade education. We had to go on welfare. She had to become a babysitter and clean people's homes. Lived in a one-room apartment above a bar and a hardware store. I never slept in a bed for 21 years. So I was defensive to the male image. And we have to be careful of the charlatans out there. There's a lot of fakes. But John Wooden was a phenomenal guy. He just had everything in order. And it was, I think, St. Francis of Assisi in the 13th century described John Wooden perfectly. He said, "We should preach the gospel every day, and if necessary, use words."
That's perfect.
That's what I saw with my mother. I saw her honesty. I saw her integrity. I saw she wasn't bitter that this man had walked out on the family. She was heartbroken, never said a bad word about him. So she understood that you got to pick up the pieces yourself. And if you have a chip on your shoulder, it's hard to do. Now, you do have to find a mentor. Thank God I also had really a great college coach, Herb Parker in Minot State, that's now passed, that couldn't have been a nicer gentleman. So we all do need mentors. But we have to be careful that those mentors aren't wolves in sheep covering,
Tickets are still available for the 2013 Great Plains Young Professional Summit in Bismarck, North Dakota. It'll take place May 30th through June 1st at the National Energy Center for Excellence on the campus of Bismarck State College. The cost for all 3 days is $119, which includes meals and access to all of the agenda events. For more details and to register online, visit the site gpypsummit.com/registration.